In today's lecture, we will learn about values function in DAX. For the elaboration, I have a very simple table, that is customers table, and it contains many columns. And we need to know that number of customers per occupation. So here we have different occupations, and let's do it with the help of an example. So here I have drag and drop occupation on the table. We have clerical management and some other occupations, and we need to know that number of customers per occupation. For this we have to use values function. Values function in DAX is a table function that returns unique values within the provided column or table. So the most important thing is values function returns a one column or multiple columns table under the current filter context. So what is the current filter context here? Here is the clerical is the one filter context. For the second row, management is the second filter, or you can say it's a current filter for the second row. For the third row, we have the current filter is manual. So let's write one measure, number of customers, as it returns table, and we need a scalar value for measure. That's why we have to use any aggregation function, and for this example we can use count rows function, and count rows function takes one table, so we can provide values because values return a table, one column table or the multiple column table. So here we need to provide customer key. So customer key, that's all. And let's drag and drop number of customers, and here you can see for the clerical we have 2928 customers under clerical, and management we have 3075. So these are the number of customers per occupation. And when we are here like at clerical, the values function is returning a table that contains unique customers but under the current filter context. So we will get a table where occupation will be clerical, and we will get the unique number of customers, and the same things will happen for the other rows, like for the other occupation, management, manual and professional and skilled manual. So this is how values function works. It gives us the unique number of values under the current filter context. So that's all about values function in DAX.